tell, we're at the Rainforest Cafe. Now we're actually at the Rainforest Cafe that's located over at the Animal Kingdom. So if you guys are in the area and you want to come over here, you do not have to go into the Animal Kingdom to get in. This is a look at some of the cafe menus here. And these are posted out front, and it's the same thing over in the Disney Springs area. You're going to have the menu right out front. But as you can see, this rainforest is actually hidden. When you get to the Animal Kingdom, it's to the left before you actually walk into the park. So you don't really see this one. A lot of people don't even know it's over there. But you can actually come on over, park in Disney Springs, jump on a bus, come over to Animal Kingdom, and you can go right on in. You still got the shop that you can use, so you can go in and shop for whatever you want. You can hang out inside there, or you can go in and go to the left, same as the other rainforest, where you're going to go in and it's actually the bar and the restaurant. Well, let's make our way through this little bit of a crowd right here. So as you guys are walking in, you're greeted to the fish tanks just like in the other Rainforest Cafe. If you're looking up, you see the trees, you're seeing the birds, and you see a heck of a lot of merchandise. Inside there, underneath the fish tank there, is actually the restaurant section. So we're actually going to stay over and do this whole section here. I'm going to go out back, and then we're going to make our way into the restaurant. But to give you guys a look, it's pretty much the same type of store as the other one. A little bit of merchandise. So there is some similarities in here. You will see, some of the merchandise is the same, but the layout's a little bit different. And there is a couple of different things in here that the other shop doesn't have, and vice versa. They still have the animatronics up on top. So when you guys are looking around, you'll see the cheetahs and the jaguars, all that fun stuff. You'll see the snakes, all that. But just keep walking around, stuff comes to life, and it does make noise every so often, just like in the rainforest. It's pretty much the same as the other. You guys can see the monkey way in the back there, the chimpanzee. And we're making our way around. You see they got the shirts. They've got all kinds of little kids' toys. You've got the snakes. You've got the adult sections, the kids' sections. There's a pretty big mix and match. Just by looking around, you see the hats, you see the shirts, the sunglasses. So this store doesn't really disappoint. If you guys haven't found the souvenir item, this is where you're going to want to come to get that last-minute item, because they've got a lot of stuff. There's some of the t-shirts right here and stuff. You've got the frog there looking down outside. Another look up at the ceiling and what's around there. You can see you got the dresses and stuff like that, the sundresses over here. You've got the flip-flops. So there's a lot of similarities between the two. We like coming over and just actually walking around. You get lost in these places. Sometimes when you're not expecting it, you come across an item that you just, like, I've never seen that before. You got to pick it up, you got to bring it home, at least it's a souvenir, but you just never get bored in here. It's like walking around in like an Inca village or something, or in the rainforest itself. But it's pretty cool seeing all the effects up there. You got the animals up on top, and then coming around, you've got all kinds of little display models and stuff like that. And you do see the big aquariums all over the place. So they actually light this place up. And if you guys are looking right now, this color that you're seeing through the camera, this is actually the light and the color that you're seeing walking through the store. So all this here is the actual color as I'm filming it, as you're going to see. But you got a whole section here on all kinds of different shoes and stuff they offer, and the flip-flops. And then you guys are coming around, you got the restaurant and stuff like that. So we're going to make our way over there, but first I want to just finish walking through the store, and then I want to head on out back. And once I head out back, we'll come back through and we'll go into that the actual restaurant section there. We shot the last one of these about, I want to say like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. We shot the other one. We shot the T-Rex, so they're all posted up. If you guys aren't sure where to find them, go to the countrybeartours.com. Anything you guys are looking for with the videos, just go into the website. You're going to find it a lot easier than hunting around in the actual YouTube channel itself. But it'll take you to all our videos. There's some to look at the mugs and the names and stuff like that. You got Maya, the name of our hamster that we used to have. And there's one of the little sections there with the sloths in it. You got the big frog right there. And there's just, like I said, the mix and match here is incredible. And if you guys haven't already given this video a like, please do subscribe to the channel. It does help us grow. We're looking to reach that 5,000 subscriber mark, guys. We're going to be getting ready. Keep your eyes open. We're going to be getting ready to give away a Stormtrooper hat, an authentic Disney World Stormtrooper hat. It's a baseball hat. And if things go well with that, our next giveaway is going to be an actual lightsaber that they have. So we're going to go out and get one of the higher end lightsabers there, and we're going to end up giving one of them away also. That's going to push us up to the 10,000 subscriber mark. But right now, really important to us to reach that 5,000 mark. It does help us get out here more. It helps us get better technology filming and stuff like that. And we do appreciate the likes. We do appreciate the subscribes. We're making our way through now. You can see you got some more hats. You got some more sweat jerseys. You got some more, it looks like some jackets and stuff like that coming through. But I'm going to try to make my way out back right now. So you got the elephant outside here. He's spraying the water into that little fountain area right there. In the back, you've got the mist coming down off the buildings. And there is a little bit of construction going on back here. So if you guys haven't seen it, you're going to see it as you make your way down through here. But you've got some waterfalls. This is actually a cool little area to come out and hang out at. So if you guys can get food and stuff like that, you do have tables and stuff, and you get to see the mist coming down. Even if you're not going into the parks, it's something. But right there, you can see the mushroom right there. You got a little bit of work going on up there. It looks like they're repainting all the effects outside, you know, all the decor and stuff like that. The bar is shut down out here, the wet bar. And this right there is the entrance if you guys wanted to continue on into the Animal Kingdom. This is the side entrance that you could go in right there. So that'll bypass the whole front entrance and go in the side. But there's a look at the little alligator there. Make our way back through. There's another menu coming in from this side. So they've got the menu posted out back and in the front. We've got some seating out here.
Rainforest Cafe, let's welcome Pablo. Safari is 7.
It's actually pretty cool. It gives you the effect that you're in the actual rainforest. And there's your sign in there.
We also like
they're totally different from one another. The other one's the big volcano, and this one here is actually into like a rock wall. So you're walking into like a waterfall coming down off the cliff, and you've got this carved out of the big rock wall thing. So it's kind of cool. You're going into a mountain or something. And we're going to make one last trip up through, in case you guys didn't see everything go through the first time. We'll make one more trip back up through the center, and then we're going to head on into the restaurant there, so you guys get a look and feel for this restaurant as opposed to the one over in Disney Springs. But there's another look at the ceiling with the snake there looking down. This one's a little scarier than the one over at Disney Springs. You got the volcano up on top of the little display right there. You've got your tigers up on top of the photo there. There are lions and tigers. There's the tigers up there. And we'll make our way up where you've got the snakes. You've got the little mountain up there with all the little animal toys that are sitting up on the side of that. You've got your stuffed animal section right in the middle here. You've got your, once again, your aquarium coming up on the right. And we do got several aquariums right through this place. So as you guys are making your way on up through, you will see several aquariums in here. So it's kind of cool seeing all that. You've got the big fruit. Whatever that is, you got the big fruit right there. And then you've got the aquarium. And we're going to head on in right now, so we're going to go right into the restaurant. So you can't always come into these restaurants, guys. When you guys are over here, even the one in Disney Springs, they don't always let you go on into the building. I always like to ask. So today we had an opportunity, and they said we could come on in and walk around. So we're going to spot that camera as much as we can around, get as much as we can, without putting the camera in somebody's face while we're eating. But you guys can see you got the bar over here. The bar, another big mushroom. You've got the butterfly up on top. And it is a darker room here. If you guys are going to bring a camera over here, definitely bring a camera that's going to perform in the low lights. And there's some lightsabers there. You got the water fountain coming down. And as you can see going through, it's still sectioned off into different little areas. So you can have different animals in different spots all the way walking through. And up on top, you're going to have the stars and the night sky up above. And you've got the tree that's all the way around. There's some of the planets and stuff up there. You've got another aquarium on the inside here. And like I said, it is a little bit dark, but we're gonna try to get it as light as we can for you. I'll add a little bit of light to it. And we're gonna make our way around. There you go. You got some monkeys up in the trees there. So you're gonna have it the same as the other Rainforest section off into these little areas. And just keep your eyes open walking around. The other one is more obvious than this one. This one's a little more hidden, but you got the ape section right here. This one's a little darker, so it's harder to spot, but you got one swinging over there. And we're gonna make our way through. You see another aquarium. We're gonna look up, see what we got hanging around here. So once again, this is the Rainforest Cafe, and this is located over near the Animal Kingdom. So if you guys really get a chance, I'll say it again, get over here, take a bus over here if you get the opportunity. Check them out for yourself. See which one you guys like better. If you want, leave down in the comments which ones you guys like better. I like the one, like I said, over at Disney Springs. It's just got a little bit more life to it. I think as you're coming up to the bar here, the bar itself looks a little bit more lit up over at Disney Springs than this one. It seems more energetic the way they have their TVs positioned over there. I like the fish tanks in this one here, the aquariums. I like that. The animals, I think I'm going to have to lean towards the one that's over in Disney Springs instead of this one, because you see a lot more trees and stuff like that. But this is the Rainforest Cafe that's located at the Animal Kingdom. So this is pretty much it for this the Animal Kingdom Rainforest tour. If you guys like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. We do recommend you guys visit thecountrybeartours.com if you guys like the videos. It makes it a lot easier. We got a nice friendly website. And we're going to catch up with you guys on the next one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Rainforest Cafe tour.